that you had, cos of minus 1710. So we all remember the 4 quadrants, right? Correct? First quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. So from this to this it is 90, correct? From this to this 180, 270 and 360. So 1710, correct? So the nearest round figure is what, 1800, correct? That is nothing but what, 360 into 5 times, correct? 1800. So which means it's actually equal to what, 10 pi, correct? So if it's a 10 pi, 2 pi will come up to this point, 4 pi again here, then what, 8 pi, then 10 pi will come here, this particular point. But for us, since if you take this as minus 1800, if you take the negative 1800, where this will come? This will come in this position. If I am taking minus 1800, this will come at this position. I'll just show you this thing here. Does everyone agree with the same? Does everyone agree with me with the same? This position, if it is minus 1810. Correct? Fine. So if it is coming to this position, and then if you're only having what? Minus 1710, which means this is actually minus 1710 is greater than minus 1800, correct? By how much degrees? By 90 degree, correct? So it should come where? It should come somewhere here by 90 degree, correct? So that's how we get what, cos 90. Common sense. Is it clear? So you can take any problem and you can do this thing, okay? But only thing which I want you to focus is on what? The only thing which I want you to focus is on the diagrammatic approach. That's all. The diagrammatic approach I want you to focus on. That's it. Yeah. Perfect. This just for the students who did not understand completely. I think 1 or 2 might be there. That's the reason I just told it. So let's come to the real trigonometric functions. Okay. Yeah. So everyone has got their max textbook with you, or is there anyone who does not have? Okay, class 11th. Fine. Okay. Fine. Fine. No need to worry. Okay. No problem. Yeah, I think 1 or 2 students don't have the class text. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Just let me take the text to one. Give me a minute's time. So guys, I'll be sending you a screenshot in your WhatsApp thing. Okay. You can go through the same. Fine. 1 second. So please check your WhatsApp. Please let me know whether you have received the formulas or not. Yeah. Did everyone receive the formulas? Yes. So please study these formulas first. Yeah. So please study these formulas first. Once done, let me know. Yeah. So once everyone is done only, I'll be taking through the problems. Okay. So Akarsh, I have sent your mother's number the formulas. Okay, did you receive it? Yeah. See, yeah, the formulas are nothing but cos of x plus y. Those are trigonometric formulas. Okay. So you should be studying those things. Once it is done, hardly 5-10 minutes. So first, I think guys, you should concentrate on the formulas like cos of x plus y is nothing but cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Those kind of formulas you should be looking to study up so that I can do the problem. This is a prerequisite. Okay. So please do that. Once done, let me know, everyone. So guys, just read through the things. Yeah, just read through the things. I think you have that formula sheet with you, right? Correct? Yeah, so that it will be easy for me to teach. Perfect. So one of the most important formulas in this is, I'll just write it down now. Okay, so I hope everyone is back after studying. Yeah. Sine of x plus y is equal to what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Very, very important formula. Sine of x minus y. Sin x cos y. Just change the signs. Minus what? What do we give? Minus cos x sin y. Same thing, only just change the formulas. Okay. Please copy down this thing. Once done, let me know. So these are the trigonometric, the most important ones. Fine. I hope you have copied down this. It's there in your book also, which I given you. Fine. Then comes our next formula, which is very important according to me. If you're planning to do engineering, okay, only this formula will come. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. What is the specialty of this is, I'll tell you. Here 2x is there, right? Here what is there? X is there. So 2x gets divided to half. Half of 2x is what? X. Similarly, if I write here sin x, formula is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Here again what happens? X gets divided to half. Half of x is x by 2. X half is what? This is a transformation you are having in this. X half is x by 2. 2x half is what? 1x. 2x half is 1x. That's the reason this particular thing. Is it clear? So you will have sin 2x in your textbook, okay, but you won't have sin x in the textbook. Okay. In your textbook, you'll have sin 2x formula or any formula sheet. But in no formula sheet, you'll have sin x formula. That is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Is it clear? So I am personally messaging to those students. Okay, if it is not clear or not. Very important and very easy also for us. So please reply me the same. Yeah. So guys, I don't want you to think any other thing other than what I'm telling you now. Okay, fine. So Akash, since you just came late to the session, okay, I'm just going to discuss only for you since you just came late. Cos of minus 1710, correct? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So normally if it is cos 1800, 1800 is what? 360. 360 is nothing but our 2 pi, correct? Into 5 times. So it will go like this, correct? Ultimately it will end up here. Which one? 1800 degree, correct? 1800 degree will end up here. But if it is minus 1800, it will end up where? It will end up here, this point, negative 1800. The question is minus 1710. We know that minus 1710 is greater than what? Minus 1800. Correct? So it is greater than 1800 by how much degrees? By 90 degree. Correct? So our 1710 should come here in the first quadrant, 90 degree. That's how we get here the cos 90. Okay, because I want to make sure that everyone understands whatever I am teaching it very clearly. So what I want to tell you again in this is visualize, draw the diagram. Till 10th, okay, you might not have learned the way of using diagrams, but in entrance, if you want to get the rank, you have to visualize and we have to draw. Because this is one of the most important chapter in all of Max. So I want to make sure that I spend enough time so that each and every one of you is clear. I do see the main purpose of me using different color pencil again is to make sure that you guys are focused on the session. Fine. So once you're copied down, once you understood this thing, let me know the same. Yeah, I hope you understood this thing very clearly. Let me go to this. Perfect. So coming to the things which are most important for your 11th, 12th, as well if you're going to take engineering, this is going to be very, very important. The next sum formulas I'm going to write. 1 plus cos 2x equal to what? 2 cos square x. Here again, what is happening? 2x half is x. 2x half is what? X respectively. Half of 2x is x. There is 1x. Correct? Similarly, what I'm going to do now is 1 plus cos x. 2 cos square x by 2. What is 1 plus cos x value? 2 cos square x by 2. Here, what is happening here? X value is getting divided by half. Is it fine? Suppose if the sign changes, 1 minus cos 2x. So instead of cos, it will become sine, 2 sine square x. Here again, 2x is getting divided by half. It is 1x. 1 minus cos x. 2 sine square x by 2. If minus comes, we use sine. So these things are not there, or may be there or may not be there, but these are very important. These are very, very important. So once you're done copying it down, let me know. This is strictly for the entrance point of view. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now let's come to our first question. Find the value of sine 15 degree. So I have only taught you about what? Sine 30, sine 45, correct? Those things I have actually taught you. Sine 30, sine 45. So how to get this 15? Sine of 45 minus 30 degree. Correct? This is equal to what? Sine 15. 15 is what? 45 minus 30. 45 degree minus 30 degree. So by using the formula, what is the formula? Sine of x minus y. Sine x cos y minus, what is it? Cos x sine y. So substituting the same thing here, we'll get what? Sine 45 sine x cos y 30 minus cos x sine y. Now just substitute the values. Sine 45, what is the value? 1 by root 2. Cos 30, what is the value? Root 3 by 2. So we have to be very thorough with the trigonometric table. Cos 45 is again 1 by root 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Correct? So what is the LCM of this? 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And all the answers you have to put in a box. That's it. So the main thing is the idea. How do we think? Correct? 15 degree. So the most important learning from this is, let it be any question. Okay, whatever formulas we have studied, we have to bring it to that type. That is the learning for this from this question. So it is not just about solving, because in school, the teachers will solve this question and give to you. That's it. In schools and colleges, just solve the questions. Correct? Fine. But we have to know why we are doing this and how to proceed with the minimum resources. Okay, then only we can do it successfully. So one more time, I'll just explain to you the same question because it's very important. Okay, sine 15 is there, correct? Sine 15. 15 degree I not taught you. What is 15? 45 minus 30. So I just wrote sine of 45 minus 30. I just wrote in this thing. 45 minus 30 degree. So that is nothing but sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Then by using the trigonometric table, I'm solving it. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. So we have to be very thorough with the trigonometric table for this. And the LCM 2 root is the common 2 root is a common thing in this. So that's the reason I'm just writing the 2 root 2 here. Any doubt in this to anyone? Let me know now itself. So guys, how do we remember these things? Correct? I hope everyone has copied down. How do we remember things like this? We should make questions. We should do what? We should make questions. How do we do that? Can anyone just make one question in this and send me now in the Zoom chat? Similar type. Okay, sine 75, sine 60. Okay, sine 75 degree. Okay. So if it is sine 75, very good. Someone is saying sine 75. I'll write it down. Whatever question. Okay. I got sine minus 435. One of the question I got. Okay. So guys, I'll tell you the thing. So there is a secret of making question also. We all, I'm just taking you back to basics. Okay. We all learned what 1 plus 2 is 3. Correct? We didn't jump to minus 100, minus 1 is equal to minus 1, not 1. No. So the importance of making question, I'll tell you how it is. We have to start from scratch. So it's not about sine 15. You have to start from where? Sine 30 into simple thing into sine 45. Correct? Because trigonometry plays a major role in all the entrance examination or the board examination. Because without trigonometry, there is no calculus, which means there is no integration or differentiation. So you'd actually start from this. Correct? Then you have to, okay, sine 75, how do you express sine 75? How can we express sine 75? Okay, sine of 90 minus 15. But we don't know what is sine 15 value, right? Again. Sine of 30 plus 45, correct. Sine of 30 plus 45 we should do. Sine of, because then only we can apply the formula what? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. But I'm very happy for those who have pointed out 90 minus 15. Do you know why? Because if I'm applying this, okay, while making questions, you are trying. You are trying the thing, correct? And important rule is for us to what? To make mistakes. If you're making mistake, you are growing. Okay, fine. So we should use 30 plus 45. Then it is coming 75. 30 and 45 degrees we know. Correct. But Since you already know what is sine 15 value, you can put. That is also a good thing. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. If you know sine 15 value, if you by heart this thing, I'm very happy. You can go with what? 90 minus 15. Okay. So you have to try that thing and then get the answer done for this. Clear, everyone? Yeah. If you want to master anything, we have to make question. Only while making question, we will know our level. Okay. Where we are in this. Now let me just take one more question. Find the value of same thing. Find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. Tan 13 pi by 12. How do we do this? Does everyone has got the formula sheet with them? I hope everyone has it. Yeah. I send you the mobile, right? Correct. Perfect. Excellent. So in the last class also, I have done, I think 31 pi. Correct. Something called 31 pi or something I read, right? 31 pi by 3 or something. Did I do in the last class? 31 pi by 3, something like that? Yes. So 10 plus 1 by 3. That's why I'm getting the 31 by 3 or 31 pi by 3 or whatever. So here similarly, what I will do is what? This is nothing but 12. 1 by 12. This is 1. Correct? 1 plus 1 by 12 is what? 1 plus 1 by 12 is 13 by 12. Correct? Now I'll just replace this 1 with what? Pi. And this is what? Pi. Pi plus pi by 12 is equal to 13 pi by 12. Correct? Yes. So I'm getting here as tan pi plus pi by 12. Tan pi plus pi by 12. So what is my tan pi plus pi by 12 value? How do we do this? If you're unable to know this, then what I want you to do, draw the 4 quadrants. Again, we are going through what? Diagrammatic way of solving. Draw the 4 quadrants. Pi. Pi means what? Up to this. 180 is coming. Pi plus something. Pi by 12. Correct? 180 by 12. What is the value of 180 by 12? Is everyone following me? Yep, perfect. It is 15 degree, right? It is kind of 15 degree. So let it this be the 15 degree thing. So in third quadrant, what is tan? In third quadrant, all silver teacups or all school trust Cambridge, whatever you feel like. Here tan is positive. So I can write it as what? From this step, directly want to write here. Tan pi by 12. Tan pi by 12. Correct? And what is my pi by 12 value, guys? 15 degree. 180 by 12 is what? 15 degree. How do you get 15 degree? Tan of 45 degree. 45 is what? For you guys, I'm just writing here as tan 15 degree, right? Correct? This tan 15 degree. So tan 45 minus 30. Up to this, everyone has understood. Up to this step, everyone has understood. If everyone has understood, just chat with me for S. Everyone. No. Okay, good. Fine. So from which step, Adi, you did not understand? Could you please tell me from which step? Which step? 15 degree. Very good. So what I was telling here is, see, I'm just drawing a fresh page. Because guys, it's very important for us to visualize and do it. See, this is an online session, correct? Fine. So there will be a limitation that, but the only thing is that we are comfortable with the tabs or with the mobiles and with the laptops. Just like the game, but a different approach altogether. So the thing is, I got here something like what tan pi plus pi by 12. Up to this step, is everyone clear? I think yes. Pi plus pi by 12. What is pi meaning? Pi value is what? 180 degree. Correct? Up to this is what? 180 degree. Pi by 12 value is what? 15 degree. Correct? So it is just extending here. So somewhere the angle is here. 15 degree value. Yeah. So if I'm getting 15 degree value, just now in the previous problem only I did what? For the 15 degree, sine 45 minus 30. Sine 45 minus 30. So here what I'll do? Here it is tan 15 degree. Correct? Tan 15 degree. So what I will do here? Tan of 45 minus 30. Correct? Everyone has got the formula sheet with them? If not, please take it out. Yeah, the formula sheet. Tan of 45 minus 30. Yes. I think in the second page, I think so. You'll have it. Anyway, I'll write the formula for you guys. Using the formula. What is the formula? Tan of x minus y. The formula is what? Tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. Is it clear? Tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. So I'm just going to do the same thing for this question also. Correct? Tan x. I'll write it down here, the next step. Tan x minus tan y. So tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Tan 45 value is what? 1. Tan 30 value is what? 1 by root 3. By 1 plus tan 45 value is 1. 1 into 1 by root 3. Correct? Now I'm just taking the LCM of this. So this will become what? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So I can cancel these root 3's. Fine. Then I can do rationalization. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So multiply by what? Multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1. So what is the value I'll be getting here? I'll be getting root 3 minus 1 the whole square. Correct? So I'll get root 3 the whole square is what? 3. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Correct? By 3 minus, this is a plus b into a minus b. I'll get a square minus b square. 3 minus 1. So 4 minus 2 root 3 I will get. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. If I just take 2 outside, 2 minus root 3 by 2. I can cancel this also. 2 and 2. So what is my answer I'll get? 2 minus root 3. Is it clear for everyone? See guys, since you are learning this for the very first time, okay, so there is nothing shame for us in seeing the formulas and doing it. You got the point? See the formulas. You're all come here to learn and I'm come here to teach. So the only thing which I'm again focusing here is what diagrammatic approach. So once you completed this thing, everyone let me know. If you want me to go to the previous page also, let me know. This page. Yeah, from this is the question. Now, yeah, if you want me to go to the next page, let me know that thing. Okay. Next page. Fine. If anyone wants me to go to the previous page, please let me know the same. Do not feel shy. Okay. So one of the doubt is this the doubt you're having? Is this the doubt? This one? Let me just see. Yes, okay, fine. So there's nothing but rationalization. I don't want the root, correct? In the denominator part, I don't want a root side. So this is called rationalization or conjugating. So which means I just multiply with the opposite sign. Multiply and dividing with what? This is root 3 plus 1 in the denominator, right? Correct? So I'm just putting instead of plus minus sign. This is called rationalization or the conjugation of the same. So plus will become minus. I'm just dividing the same thing, multiplying, dividing by the same term, so that literally this is same only. Fine. This is a minus b the whole square. This is a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Correct? That's all. Literally the same meaning. Yeah. And once you're done with this, let me know. Everyone. Okay. If you're done, just send me a chat called done in this. 1 2 done, so I got till now. 3. No need to worry, do it. Yeah, 4. Yeah. This is the last thing. Okay. So guys, again, the question which came to us is what? This is the important thing which I would like to stress. 13 pi came. Correct. We are actually not comfortable with numbers, words, variables, and diagrams. Actually, we are not comfortable that much with variables. But one thing which we are learning from the childhood, starting from your LKG or whichever thing, numbers. Correct? That is the reason I included here tan 45 minus tan 30. But as you go on, you'll be comfortable with what? What is 45? Tan pi by 4. What is 30? Tan pi by 6. Correct? If I written these kind of things in this particular problem, correct, we won't be that much comfortable. Okay, only there are two ways of loving one subject. First reason is what? We are understanding the entire thing. We are understanding the entire thing. Second reason is marks. If we get good marks, we will love it. If we understand completely, then obviously we'll get good marks and we'll love it. So the main thing for us is what? Marks here. So marks is a very important factor. So what I want each and every one of you to do, okay, is to take up initiative. Okay, initiative in the sense, do the exercise question by yourself, because if you are in class 11, okay, if you are in class 11, and now since due to the COVID-19, most of the schools has not started, correct? So if you take up this initiative now of solving problems, once the teacher retakes there in the classroom, we don't know what level of teachers you will be getting there, correct? So that it will be just a revision for you. And whichever exercise question if you have doubt, we will discuss it in my class. Fine. Because I think in Sunday, okay, I think Chitranjan had a doubt. Correct. So I think I had a morning session from 11 to 12:30 or 1 o'clock. Yes. So immediately after session is over, I think I just sent him a mail and he came to the meeting. And I think that time only, I think he asked me this question. The first question, this one. Yeah, this one. So I explained it, but I understood, okay, that some of you are not comfortable with what cos of minus 1710. That's the reason I just wanted to put in a common platform so that everyone is in the same level. So again, my thing is you have to start drawing the diagrams. Okay, diagrams. It's not about solving problems. We have to solve the diagrams. Okay, then only we will be able to go to the next level automatically. And whatever doubts or anything is there, you have to share it with me. Fine. If you don't know anything, just make sure that you discuss with me those things. Clear to everyone? And how many of you have taken the initiative to solve the first exercise in this? Not first. First exercise is not that important. Second exercise. Exercise 3.2 in trigonometry. Those who don't have the book, can you tell me? Those who don't have the book. Who is not having the book or the PDF? Not having. Okay, Rishabh doesn't have. Okay, I'll just send it to you. Yeah. I'll just send you the PDF. You can learn from the PDF itself. Okay, this is a textbook PDF, NCERT PDF. Fine. Other than that, I'll be sending the notes. Okay, so this is just the textbook PDF. Who don't have this thing, let me know. So I just send you the PDF in this. So any doubt in today's session? Is there any doubt for anyone in today's session? So it's not about the number of problems which I'm doing. I want to make sure that, okay, so everyone has got the, I think to everyone I send the textbook PDF now. So there is something called summary page. Okay. So try to complete as many formulas as you can. Study those formulas and fine. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Fine. Yeah. Perfect. So that's it for today's session. Yeah. Any doubt is there? You can ask me the same now. Any doubt for anyone? You can ask me. And Krish and Adi can stay back. Yeah. No, sir. Whoever is not having doubt can leave the session. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So those who don't have doubts, they can leave. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye, Rishabh. So Krish and Adi. So Adi, especially this is regarding you. Okay. So Krish, since you have done a lot of papers when you were in class 9, correct? Yes. I want you to just share those papers with Adi. So Adi, whatever chapters I have completed now. Okay. Fine. Go to Krish, get those materials from him. Try to solve by yourself. Okay. Either ask my help or Krish's help. Fine. Because next time I want you to get 20 because I'll 20 out of 20 or whatever it is because I'll tell you the thing. Whatever is there in the textbook, nothing is gonna come. Agree or disagree? Both to Krish and Adi. Krish, am I correct or wrong? Whatever is there in the textbook, has anything come from that? Nothing. Correct? So only from the previous year paper it is coming. Okay. So Krish, I want you to take the responsibility, okay, of taking care of your younger brother. Fine. Okay. Yes, you have got particle based question. Fine. Okay. Hmm. But on the same time, Krish, I want to make sure that you focus on your 10th. You got the point. It's not 100% dedicating to Adi. For that, I am there. Okay. You have to focus on your 10th. It's very, very important. Okay. You have to be the number one in the school. Okay. But again, we will grow by helping others. That we should never ever forget. Let me just pause the record.